Welcome back to Bangkok. Tonight we're heading to the Chidlom area. We're going to jump off the BTS at Chidlom and have a wander around there and head towards CentralWorld to see what's going on. Just to see all the Christmassy things that's going on here in Bangkok. Because I really know how to turn it on. So tonight we're doing that area, so hang around and I'm sure we'll find something interesting. Won't we? We'll find something interesting.
Yep.
A lot of people. We've just got off at the Chidlom area. Good old traffic. And let's see what we can find. Looks like they've done this area up. You like that? Yeah. So we're at the Holiday Inn here in Bangkok. Let's sit in here and see what's going on. I think each place tries to outdo the other. Because every time you go to another place, it's just crazy what they'll do. We've just come into the Gaysorn Village mall. We can cut through here and get out onto the skywalk opposite CentralWorld. Got the Christmas tree upside down. Yeah. Then we come through here to CentralWorld, right outside the Apple store. I think we can get up the front there. Two floors of Apple store. It's 7 PM and it's still busy. Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland. Sure, what's going on over here? That guy down there's got triplets. Hats off to him and his wife. Oh, it's snowing over here. Trust Bangkok to make it snow. I've lost the bell, so I'll see if I can get in amongst this. I think the snow show's on every half hour, maybe. I thought it was every hour on the bottom of the hour, but it's 7 o'clock now, so I was wrong about that. So this is a Wednesday night and it's pretty busy. But it's good to see. The weather's great. Still 30 degrees. Snowed on.
Oh, how beautiful was that? ไปเถอะ
What do you reckon? How does it stack up in your part of the world compared to your mall's Christmas decorations? Yeah, that's pretty stunning. Still not at the end yet.
แต่งตัวมาในธีมของซูโทเปียไหนอะเอ้ยใช่เหรอเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงนะมีอีกไหมคะมีอีกไหมมีอีกไหมมีไหมคะได้ไหมคะโอเคเลยเชิญเลยค่ะ
Well, that's our update for Chit Lom and CentralWorld. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, we'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got another few more places to check out over the next few days, or the next couple of weeks actually. Everyone seems to be trying to outdo each other. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.